Hi, hello, welcome. CS Trade Insights. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that affects every single person watching this: personal finance. No matter how much you earn, one question always stays the same: why does money disappear so fast? Have you ever noticed something strange? Some people earn a lot of money but still remain broke. Why does this happen? As Robert Kiyosaki says, it's not about how much you make, it's about how you manage what you make. This is the biggest truth about personal finance that most people never learn in school. We work hard, earn a salary, and check our bank balance every month. Yet somehow, by the end of the month, the money disappears. The problem is not earning money. The real skill is managing it. The good news is that you don't need complicated financial knowledge to fix this. You just need one simple formula called the 50-30-20 rule. Let's understand this rule using the 30,000 rupee monthly salary. The first 50% of your income should go to your needs. That means 15,000 rupees should be used for essential expenses like rent or house contribution, groceries, electricity, transport, mobile recharge, internet, and basic insurance. These are expenses you cannot avoid. This is your survival money, and the goal is to keep it within this limit without overspending. The next 30% of your income goes to your wants. Yes, spending money is allowed because life is not only about survival. With the 30,000 rupee salary, this comes to 9,000 rupees. This money can be used for eating outside, movies, shopping, small trips, subscriptions, gadgets, and entertainment. This portion helps you enjoy life guilt-free without feeling broke. Now comes the most important part: the final 20% of your income. That is 6,000 rupees every month, and this money should go to saving and investing. This is the money that will work for you even while you sleep. You can use it to build an emergency fund, invest in mutual funds, invest in stocks, and save for long-term goals like buying a house, starting a business, or retirement. Money invested today grows tomorrow and grows even more in the future. This is the power of compounding. People who spend first and save later often stay stuck financially. But people who save and invest first and spend later slowly build wealth and financial freedom. So remember this simple rule forever: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for investing. For a 30,000 rupee salary, that means 15,000 rupees for needs, 9,000 rupees for wants, and 6,000 rupees for your future. Now, I'm going to explain the 4 best investment options everyone should know. We will talk about recurring deposits, gold and silver, mutual funds, and the stock market. By the end, you'll understand which investment is safe, which grows fast, and how to choose wisely. Wait, before getting to this, first let me ask you something. Why we need to invest? Let me share an example. If you keep 100 rupees in your pocket for 10 years, will it still buy the same things? No, because prices keep increasing. This is called inflation. So if you don't invest, your money becomes weaker every year. That is why we must make our money work for us. Now let's see the 4 best investments. Let's start with the safest one. A recurring deposit is like a piggy bank in the bank. You give the bank a small amount of money every month, like 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. The bank keeps it safe and gives you extra money as interest. Why is RD important? Because it teaches you saving habit. It is perfect for students, beginners, people who are scared of risk. It helps you learn discipline. How much money it grows? RD gives around 6% to 7.5% every year. That means your money grows slowly but safely. Risk level. Risk is very low. Your money is almost 100% safe. RD is like a baby step in investing. Now let's talk about something your parents already love: gold and silver. For thousands of years, people trusted gold. Whenever the world has problems, gold becomes stronger. Why is gold important? Gold protects your money. When economy becomes bad, prices increase, stock market falls. Gold usually goes up. That's why smart investors always buy gold. How much money it grows? Gold and silver give around 8% to 10% yearly in the long run, sometimes even more during bad times. Risk level. Risk is low to medium. Prices move slowly, not like stocks. Gold is like a safety helmet for your money. Now we go one step higher. Mutual funds. Imagine this. You don't know how to choose good stocks, but experts know. So you give money to experts. They invest for you. That is a mutual fund. Why is it important? Because beginners don't know stock picking. Mutual funds give expert help, many stocks together, easy monthly investing. This is where real wealth building starts. How much money it grows? Mutual funds give around 10% to 14% every year long term. Much better than saving in bank. Risk level. Risk is medium. Sometimes up, sometimes down. But long term, it grows. Mutual funds are your wealth engine. Now the most powerful one. Stock market. When you buy a stock, you become a small owner of a company. Yes, you become a business owner. Companies grow, your money grows. Why is it important? Because this is how people become rich. All big investors invest in stocks. This is the best way to beat inflation. How much money it grows? Stock market gives around 12% to 18% yearly long term. Sometimes even more. Risk level. Risk is high in short term. Prices go up and down every day. But long term, arrow very powerful. Stocks are your money multiplier. Final message. You don't need a lot of money to start. You just need to start early. Start small. Stay consistent. Be patient. One day your money will start working for you, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and to watch more stock market videos regularly, make sure to subscribe to the CS Trade Insights channel. See you again in the next video.